February 14th, 2014, and we've been getting a lot of snow lately. But what I've been seeing, this is going to be basically my one and only government conspiracy theory video. Because what I think is this snow is controlled by the government. And what are you doing?
I was just zooming out.
Okay, the weather is controlled by the government, and I can prove it. Because this snow isn't real. So, just hold on. Some untouched snow, you can see I grabbed snow. It's untouched. I mean, I didn't treat it with anything or anything like that. But, see that? Now watch this. We gotta come inside out of the wind because it's a little windy. So it's, I'll get my trusty Zippo lighter up out here and see if we can get it lit. And I'm out of fluid, I think. Okay. Okay, now we're not doing it, but okay, here we go. You can see the snow is burning. It takes a little while, but you can see how it's blackening. This snow is treated. They're seeding the clouds with something, and see how it's blackening and burning. There's something in this snow, and if you smell it, it smells rubbery. So, and you can see it burn. It's not dripping or melting or anything. There, we're getting some more blackening, and that is why I think. Look at that. See, takes a little while. Look at that blacken, and it's got a real thick rubbery smell. So this snow is treated, and I think the government is doing this to the Northeast. Don't know why, but that's proof right there that the government controls the weather. So all of this snow out here is all government controlled. So you can blame Obama for that. That's my vlog for the day. Have a nice day. Check everything down below. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. Have a good day. Oh, he's going on YouTube.